So, I just brought the the big trash can. The trash can that holds all the trash bags. It's not a dumpster. I just brought the thing in from the curb. And I'm throwing away all this stuff that's on the porch. Okay, so I have this baby bath because it needs to be cleaned because soap spilled into it. My cat pooped on the baby bed thing, changing table. So I had to clean that off. And I threw away all of these little buckets and things, but I don't want to put them in the trash can because they would take up all the space and I have trash to throw away. So I'm just going to put them on the side until tomorrow in the morning. Because I think tomorrow's trash day. And I'm going to take all this stuff down to downstairs. And then my porch will be clean. Yay! Okay. So, basically, everything is downstairs already. I just need to put it in the room. Like, it's on the stairs. It's on the steps. But before I do that, I'm going to sweep. And then I'm going to put on my shoes. And then I'll take care of that. I don't know why I put this off for so long. Like, I feel terrible. Because this is like, what, 10, 15 minutes and it's all done? Almost. I'm retarded. Wow. I am a lazy piece of shit. And I did all this. I'm gonna go put on my shoes halfway because I ain't got time for all that. I'm gonna put up all this stuff, like I've said maybe 10 times. Porch is clean. Downstairs is a fucking mess. But my porch is clean.